Hey guys, I'm Heather.
And I'm Maisie.
And we're going to take you on our night to Nottingham Bowl. So we're just on our way to Nottingham Bowl now. It's about a 15-minute walk from campus. I think it is the largest bowling alley in the UK with 48 alleys, which is just incredible. I think they have bowling, an arcade and also mini golf.
Who do you think's going to win? I reckon you will.
I don't think I will because I'm really good at mini golf, but I don't think I'm actually very good at bowling.
I am not good at bowling.
Yeah.
But we're going to try our hardest.
We're going to try our hardest, and I think we should challenge ourselves to leave the sides bits down.
Yeah.
Because we are adults, we're not kids.
Yeah.
Once we arrived at Nottingham Bowl, we headed straight in. As soon as you walk in, you get a great view of all the bowling alleys. Of course, we headed straight to the bar where they have a wide selection of drinks, but we went for cocktails. All the drinks have a reasonable price, with cocktails being only $5.95 each, which is perfect if you're on a student budget. Nottingham Bowl offers student prices where you can get a game of bowling for £6.50 or 2 games for £10. After many failed attempts to get a strike, we had a little break for pizza. After a short break, we got back to bowling and finished the game. We then looked around the arcade before heading up to the scrapyard golf. The 9-hole golf course is inspired by iconic Nottingham landmarks such as Sherwood Forest, the City Trams and the Left Lion. The course is really interactive and includes historical artefacts from all over Nottingham.
So that's all for this video. I hope you guys like watching it. I highly recommend you check out Nottingham Bowl.
Make sure to subscribe to Nottingham Trent University for more.
And we'll see you soon. Bye!